Okay, and we are live, I do believe. Hello and welcome. I think this is somewhere around about the 16th or 17th, maybe, video in the Essential Oils education series that I'm putting together for you. Just really simple tips and tricks on the safe and effective use of essential oils because, we hear so many things about essential oils. They're so popular these days. And there's so many people out there telling you how to use them in weird and wonderful ways and making all these claims about what they can and can't do. And it can get very confusing, very overwhelming. And a lot of times, people have these amazing, very powerful oils in their cupboard, and they're not aware that they can be used in many different situations. So that's what this series is all about, is just letting you know that these essential oils are so versatile and they can help support your system, your body in so many different ways. And other thing to remember is just because an oil is well known to help with a particular challenge or issue, it may not work for you. We are all put together. Our chemistry is all different. And so just because one oil doesn't work for you, there is more than likely another one that will. And so if you get a common oil that is good for XYZ challenge and you try it and you don't get the results you want, don't give up on essential oils. Don't give up on natural remedies. We just got to find the one that's right for you. That's all. Okay, so today, short and sweet, we're going to be talking about a blend. And this blend is designed to help open the airways and give you that sense of being able to breathe easily and clear the airways and breathe easily. And the name of this particular blend is actually called Breathe, or in Australia it's called Easy Air. Depending on where you are in the world, it could be called something different. And now, once again, this is a blend. It is purely for topical and aromatic use, okay? We do not take this blend internally, right? It is not sanctioned for internal use. But it's an amazing oil, very, very easy to apply. It comes in a variety of applications. So here pictured, you can see the oil, so 15 ml oil that can be, once again, used topically. You can either rub it on the chest, rub it on the back, you can rub it on your feet. A great way to apply it actually is to just put a drop into the palm of your hand, give it a rub just to warm it up. So rub it together like this, and then just cup it over your mouth and nose like that, and just breathe it in, hold for a couple of seconds, breathe out. So it's a great way to use it aromatically. Once again, whenever you're doing that though, please make sure that you don't get the oil onto your fingers and don't put the fingers near the eyes. Okay, so definitely just keep the oil on your palms and then like that, and can keep your fingers pointed away from your eyes, and you'll be right to go. So this is a great oil. It's great to have around when the seasonal threats are running high, so that time of year when all that stuff is up in the air, that can have an effect on your respiratory system, can give you some challenges when it comes to breathing. It gives you that sense of clear airways and easy breathing. And it has oils in there to support your respiratory system. So as I said, it comes in the oil. It also comes in what we call Aroma Touch, which is like a roller bottle. And then it also has drops, like lozenge drops, that can soothe your mouth and throat. And that's obviously okay to take internally because they're drops. And it also comes in a vapor stick. So there's many ways, many applications that you can get Breathe or Easy Air that best suits your needs. Now, once again, if you find this information useful, please like, share, and comment. And got any questions, put them in the comments below. So yeah, I mean, application is just so easy. As I said, you can just put it in your hands, breathe in like so, and put it into a diffuser. You can rub it on your feet, you can rub it on your chest, on your back, okay, in a carrier oil, or use one of the pre-packaged applications. I used to use Breathe a lot when I was working in elite sport to assist the athletes. So before and during the game, we actually put a few drops of Breathe and a couple of other essential oils into a vapor inhaler. So, one of those inhaler units that you put the boiling water in, and then you put your essential oils in, and then you put this sort of mouthpiece, like this nose piece on, that they can actually breathe it up. And so the players would actually line up. They'd come to me and say, "Is it ready, Tim? Is it ready?" And they'd actually line up to take a whiff of this blend before they went out and exerted themselves and played. So they found that it helped improve their performance, because once again, it helped to open the airways and give them that feeling that they could actually get their breath in, and because they were doing a lot of exertion, running and that sort of stuff. So great there as well. And I said, so they did that before they played, they did it at half time, and then other players sort of also inhaled it throughout the game when they came to the bench as required. So amazing, versatile oil. So something that, once again, should be, you should always have on hand, just so when those occasional when those environmental threats are running high, when you have those occasional respiratory issues where you just sort of feel that you just need to open up and breathe easily, it's a great oil to have on hand. So that's this one's short and sweet today, because there's not, this is a specific blend for the respiratory system. It's actually called the respiratory blend. So that's it. That's the way to use it. Great to must have on hand. Great to carry in the car, purse, pocket. Great for your natural first aid kit. And yeah, super duper oil. That's it. So I'll be back tomorrow with another oil for you. Once again, if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will get onto them. If there's a specific oil that you'd like me to talk about, let me know. If you live in Australia and you want to experience these essential oils for yourself, please go to samples.pureessentials.store and request your samples. And what I'll do is I will get in contact with you, and we'll talk about what is happening and work out what is going to be the best essential oil to send you, to get the best result possible for you. Okay, as I said, everybody's different, and I'm just multitasking, and we all know it's a myth. Everybody's different, so let's work out. Let's give you a sample that will hopefully give you a result. Okay, and once again, if you've got any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to message me. Like, obviously, there's things I can and can't say in the public forum because of compliance and regulations, but I can talk a little bit more freer and give you a little bit more in-depth information if you get in contact with me. So you can contact me at m.me/Tim Cooper Health, and I'll be happy to discuss how essential oils can help you, your family, your home, your children, your pets, whatever. Okay, that's it for the day. I will see you the same time tomorrow. Until then, you take care.